Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about the portable hotspot in your device Redmi Note 11. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If you want to learn about the portable hotspot, you can do it by the way as I am showing in this video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the portable hotspot in your device Redmi Note 11. So now let's watch the video.